I'm not very good at vlogging. At least not yet. Cut. Airplane's coming. Rolling on 2. Ready, and action. Like so many other things in my life, if I'm not good at something, I have this desire to get better. Cut. Okay. Okay, we'll see when I do this. Let me just, that's good. Okay. Rolling on 1, rolling on 2. Ready, and action. Cool. Okay. And I've done a lot of videos on TikTok. Ready? And I've made a lot of videos where I teach people tricks and tips. And I've made a lot of videos that walk people through some, I want to get better. I make these to get better myself. I make these videos so that I can get better. I make these videos so that I can improve. Cut. All right, let me see. Cut. Rolling on 1. Okay. Rolling on 2. Damn, they're loud. And I'm gonna document the process. It's loud. Ready? Yeah, cool. So I'm gonna dedicate the next 60 days. Rolling on 1. Rolling on 2. And the reason I'm doing this is simpler than you might think. And maybe you could have fun doing it too. And maybe you could have fun doing it too. And maybe you could have fun doing it too. And maybe you could have fun doing it too. Rolling on 2. In these next 60 days, I'm gonna show you, okay, ready? In these next, ready? I'm walking. In these next 60 days, I'm gonna show you every single tiny, the plane. Gotta let the plane pass. Ready? Cool, and the train. Gotta do it. They're too loud, my microphone can't compete. So in the next 60 days, I'm gonna, one more plane. Please don't die either of your batteries, holy, please, 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 please. I know you're still on, And the sound wave is passing. So hopefully, okay, it's passing. So shut. Okay. So hopefully, okay, I mean, cut. Ready, and I feel like this goes without saying, but obviously this was shot on iPhone. And I feel like this goes without saying, but okay, ready, and go. And I feel like this goes without saying, but, oh my God, another plane. Okay, we're just gonna ride it out because that's my camera over there. And also all the behind the scenes stuff will be on YouTube. So stay tuned, check it out. I feel like this wasn't, that's it, that's the video. We've done it. Cut on YouTube.